This is just disgusting. And this is the reason a lot of the BLM land is getting shut down. This is BLM camping right here. This is just outrageously disgusting. I'm Norm, and this is Kim. And this is Dreamweaver, the key to unlocking our adventures. Life is just too darn short, so we're exploring now to make our dreams come true. Thanks so much for subscribing and joining our journey.
Is it a droning day?
Well, it might be. I got the drone and it's sun's out and no wind.
No wind, so it just might be.
Might be.
Let's get going. We're going to go explore. We're outside of the Phoenix area.
Yep. Boondocking around Lake Pleasant.
Yep. And we haven't taken time to go explore yet, so we're going to go see what we can find.
Impressive lake.
I know, you don't expect to see a lake out in the middle of the desert. I don't know, we're just dumb about the desert, but it's a huge
lake. Did you find us our bug out spot?
Still looking. Not sure I want a bug out spot here in the Arizona desert.
Not with the snakes. Not with the snakes. No fun. I shouldn't tease him, but there's not many things I can tease him about, and that's one of them.
It's not hot, it's not cold, it's more room temperature.
So who knows?
For sale.
Really?
No.
Now we've found it.
Found the bug out. Found the bug out property.
You never know.
You never do. It has green. It has green looking grass on it even.
It does, and all these palm trees. Look at that. That looks like kind of a fun spot. Built into the side of the hill.
We found the burrows. They don't even seem to care.
But they're so cute.
1 hour later.
Dirty diapers and toilet paper. This is just disgusting. And this is the reason a lot of the BLM land is getting shut down. This is BLM camping right here. This is just outrageously disgusting. Why would anybody do that? We're out for our morning walk on this beautiful Sunday morning, and we just wanted to stop and share something with you because we've shown you a lot of campsites or a lot of areas around here where we're staying that are just trash.
Yeah, it's really sad. A lot of trash.
Just a lot of campers, they just leave their garbage and then they leave. And that's pretty sad. But this campsite, which has a beautiful lake view, we are outside of Lake Pleasant, which is outside of Phoenix. This campsite is awesome. And whoever was here last, we saw them yesterday, they did it right. Let me show you. This campsite is clean, clean, clean. All the trash, or no trash, they didn't leave trash. But look what else they did. They left a stack of wood for the next person. Everything is picked up, neat, and you don't see trash anywhere.
Yeah, I'm sure they left it better than they found it.
That's what we always try and do. We always try and leave our campsite better than we found it.
But there's been so much trash here that we've not been able to pick it all up.
Bags and bags and bags it will take, and we'll probably take at least one bag full out and do our part, but we can't take it all. So this, I was a bit discouraged looking at the rest of the boondocking spots around here, but this lifted my spirits today.
Yes, it really did. So let's finish our walk.
Yep. One really fun thing about this area is there are wild burros everywhere.
There are. I'm hoping to come across one on our walk.
Yeah, we usually see them, but I haven't seen one yet this morning. But
they're still sleeping.
Yeah, probably. But they're everywhere. We're here in mid-March, and look how green everything is. Hey, Shorty. I'll squat down there. Mid-March, just look how green everything is. It's just beautiful here in the desert. Love it.
I'm loving it.
Oh, and did we mention it's 70 degrees? You got a new friend?
I do. He's kind of cute. A little rough around the edges looking, but I still like him.
Look at that view we have behind us.
I know, it's gorgeous.
Beautiful lake.
I'm loving it.
So we're here. That's Lake Pleasant behind us, northwest of Phoenix.
Yes.
And we are inside the park. I'm not sure if it's a regional park or state park.
It's a park.
But they have a restaurant out on the lake.
It is literally out on the lake.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. So
it is. They've got lots of amenities here.
Yeah, so we are having some dinner and just enjoying 80 degrees here in the middle of March. Loving it.
Loving it.
But what did you order? You had a salad with...
I had a salad and chicken.
And I am getting a teriyaki burger.
Yeah. We've heard...
With tater tots.
Yes, we've heard from... we think we're in the right place, but we've heard this is a great restaurant, so...
It is a great restaurant.
Yum.
That was a very yummy dinner. My hamburger was amazing.
Did you say it was one of the best ones you've ever had?
One of the best ever. Yep.
Which is really amazing because he's had a lot of hamburgers.
Yeah, I had the teriyaki burger, and your salad was pretty good too.
Yeah, it was delish.
So, good option.
Yep.
Good choice.
Sunny.
The next morning.
So we have a screw in the tire, front tire of the truck. We got to get that fixed. Safety first. Okay, so we're here at Discount Tire. I have a screw in the front driver's tire of the truck, and they say 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Oh. But we got to get it fixed.
Yes, we do. What are we going to do?
I don't know. If there's a grocery store close by, we can do our grocery shopping.
Do we have to unhook?
No, we're just sitting here.
Oh, so you want to walk. You want to walk to the grocery store.
Well, I don't want to, but that's the option.
All right, let's see what we can find out.
Looks like they're going to get us in fast. It's only been 10 minutes and they're starting to work on it.
Awesome.
Brake pads look good. Out of dust. So they wanted to sell us 4 new tires. Tires are getting low, but they passed the penny test. And what the penny test is, you get a penny and you stick it in the tread. A couple F-16s flying over. Thank you, servicemen and servicewomen. So the penny test is, you get a penny and it has the one side with Lincoln on it. You turn it so Lincoln's head is down, you stick it in the tread. I don't know if you can see that, but if his head is showing, all of his head is showing, you got to replace your tires. These still have tread left. These still have tread left, but by the time we get home from this trip, I need 4 new tires.
We're good.
Well, that was an awesome experience. Discount Tire, you guys are amazing. They first said it would take 1.5 hours to 2 hours just to get us in. They got us in within 10 minutes and they didn't charge us anything.
Wow. And we're out of here, I don't know, maybe we were there total 45 minutes?
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe.
So,
Awesome.
thank you. Thank you, thank you.